Alrighty, welcome everyone to growercoach.com and our plant review section. Today we're looking at this the burning bush. This is the dwarf burning bush, so it's called Euonymus compacta. Compacta meaning, you know, compact, and sort of dwarf for sure, dwarf burning bush. That means they can still get up to about 6 feet by 6 feet, so that would be classified as a dwarf. The regular ones get up to 12 or 14 feet. They get quite large. So, but very beautiful, bright fall colors. As far as a plant goes, I kind of rate them, you know, as at least here in the Okanagan, we have sort of alkaline soil conditions. They don't seem to be the absolute best plant for that. They're subject to a couple diseases, sort of like a dry rot fungus disease that affects the crown of the root system and the lower part of the stem, and it's pretty common actually around, you know, we'll see a couple hundred of them planted in a mass planting, and you'll see 2 or 3 of them dying out, and then it kind of slowly spreads through the whole bunch. But other than that, they're a pretty common plant, normally just green all season long, so they can be hedge trimmed if needed. I tend to prefer to let plants just do what they do. I don't like to do a lot of hedge trimming, so I just let them grow, and yeah, it's a good plant. I would say that very, very common. There's probably more burning bushes sold than just about any other plant, just because they're just commonly used in landscaping. So really their key feature is the fall color, of course. They're green all season, and this really red fall color that comes on around mid to end of September is what everybody's waiting for. The thing to watch for is that if they're grown in hot, sunny locations, they will really intensify the color. If they're grown in shady locations, it tends to be more in the pinkish sort of tone. So that's it for today. Thanks again for tuning in to growercoach.com.